Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add digital products in your Wix website. First of all, let me type wix.com and now I will be redirected to the Wix Studio. Then here you can see I have two websites, so let me select one of these. And now let me scroll down. Here you can see in catalog, click on products. Now here you will get a button. Click here new product and here you can see digital file. And now you can add product name, for example SEO training ebook. Then scroll down. Here you can upload the file that you want to lock. For example, let me upload a zip file. This one. And then click add to product. Then scroll down. Here you can add product name, and if you want to add some tag you can add here in ribbon section. Then add description. Then scroll down. Here you can add images and videos for the product, and also you can add some informative section, but that's optional. Then scroll down. Here you can add some pricing, and you can manage inventory options, for example in stock, out of stock, and you can also give SKU number. So that's basically product identification number, and after that click on save button. So in this way you can easily add digital products in your Wix